Okay, next 2.1 linear motion. Determine the distance travel, displacement, velocity and acceleration from appropriate graph. Okay, exercise 1, number 1. Okay, so we have a bus travel a long straight road of 600 meter. It travel a constant velocity for the whole journey, which takes 19 seconds. Sketch the displacement time graph. And what was the velocity of the bus? Okay, first thing first, you have to know what is meant by constant velocity. Okay, constant velocity, kalau you rujuk balik graf saya yang kat depan tu, constant velocity bermaksud velocity kita adalah seragam lah. Okay, so kalau saya conteng kat sini, okay, VT graf dia adalah, okay, contohlah ms -1 and second. Okay, dia adalah constant kan, constant velocity macam ni. Okay, jadi you kena cari graf sebelum ni apa. So you akan dapati graf dia adalah, sebelum dapat constant ni, you akan dapat linear dulu. So ini adalah graf dia. Okay, jadi macam mana you nak plot? You plot sini 600. And then dekat bawah ni adalah 90. So buat garis putus-putus. Okay, this is a graph of displacement time graph. And then the question asks you, what is the velocity of the bus? Okay, velocity from ST graph kita boleh dapat daripada bacaan gradient, this one. Okay, how to calculate gradient? Okay, gradient of the graph is equal to, okay, gradient is equal to V, is it? So V sama dengan 600 minus 0 divided by 90 minus 0. So you will get velocity is 6.67 ms -1. Okay? Alright, so next question. Question number 2. Okay, we have a diagram V versus T graph. Show the velocity time graph for a mop. Mop ni macam motosikal ringan kot. Okay, which travel between two set of traffic light on the straight road. What is the acceleration of the mop in each of the time interval OX or OX, XY and YZ? So means that they ask you to calculate acceleration of the mop for each journey, each section. So maksudnya you cari one by one. 1, 2 and 3. So you have to calculate the gradient of this graph. Okay, macam mana nak calculate gradient? You boleh calculate gradient OX dululah. Okay, so OX gradient so gradient formulanya adalah 12 minus 0 divided by, okay, maksudnya saya tulis formula dulu lah. Okay, so AOX is equal to change of velocity per change of time. So equal to 12 minus 0 divided by 6 minus 0. So you will get the reading is 2 meter per second square. Okay, next is AXY. Same goes formula delta V equal to delta T. Okay, so yang ini tak ada gradient, is it? So because the constant velocity, so acceleration adalah kosong. Okay, so next for A, Y, Z, delta V is equal to delta T is equal to, okay, how to calculate gradient? Final minus initial. So 0 minus 12 divided by 21 minus 18. So you will get negative 4.0 meter per second square. Okay, so you dah adalah untuk each section. 2 meter per second, 0 meter per second and negative 4 meter per second. So now we answer the question B. Okay, question B said that, okay, what is the total distance between two set of traffic light? Distance. Kalau distance, You tambah semualah kan. Kalau displacement, you kena tolak lah kalau dia dekat bawah. Tapi kalau graf macam ni, displacement dengan total distance dia adalah sama. Why? Because dia punya graf adalah graf all positive. Remember that the total distance will be same because dia punya graf adalah graf positif. Okay, kalau ditambah dekat bawah ada graf negatif, total distance dengan displacement tak akan sama. Okay, boleh Alright, so nak cari total distance. Okay, how to calculate total distance? Okay, total distance. Total distance. So, total distance. Okay, total distance means that area under the graph. Okay, the shaded area here adalah luas trapezium lah, senang. Okay, total distance sama dengan area under the graph. PT graph. So macam mana nak kira? Okay, half darab dengan ni Okay, 18 tolak 16. 18 tolak 6. 18 minus 6 plus width 21. Yang ni. Okay, lepas tu tutup kurungan. Times width, height, 12. Okay, so you will get 198 meter. Okay.